Hide and seek in the jungle. Feel me. I'm felt. In the jungle, tigers roaring. He could not be prouder. Roar. Look, and the mouse is becoming a bit deaf. Oh, it's so loud. But who's behind the water spray? Her trumpet's even louder. Toot, toot. It's the elephant. Look, and the birds are even flying away. It's that loud. And there's a ladybird here as well. Small ladybird. Uh-oh. Snake is hissing softly, slithering and sliding. She's looking for a tasty frog. But where could one be hiding? Where do you think he is? Shall we look together? Shall we search? Maybe here. Yeah, here's the frog. Well done. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. The green frog is hiding between the purple stone. Monkey's calling. With such a cheeky smile. But waiting just behind the reeds? Who do you think there is Snappy Crocodile. Well done, you found him. Snap, 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 snap. With his sharp teeth. Uh-oh. But look, the monkey isn't afraid. He's not scared at all. And the spider is bing, 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 dangling from the sky. Chameleon is quiet, shh, and good at blending in. Look, and with his long tongue here. While in the clouds, the parrots squawk and make a dreadful din. Squawk, 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 squawk. Look, squawk. They're flying towards the warm sun with all of the colors of the rainbow they have. Orange and red and a bit of pink as well. Green, purple, blue, a bit of black. And a bit of white on their wings as well. They make a dreadful din. There's a strange noise in the jungle. The creatures take a peep. Who's that snoring in the trees? Shall we look together? Oh, who do you think it is? Who do you think? Oh, it's Slot. He's fast asleep. He's hanging here. And all the other animals are watching him. The monkey, who's smiling with its cheeky smile.
This is some